Hi, welcome to Truckee Dog TV. It is February 28th, 2023. We are in the middle of a blizzard in the High Sierra. As you can see, there is serious snow. Let's go, guys! The dogs are swimming in powder. Alright, come on, guys! So all the dogs are expecting me to blaze the trail. Oh, look at Maggie's blazing the trail now. There we go. Finally. These are the guys behind. They're like, make the trail for us. Come on, guys, let's go. There goes Lulu making the trail. Roo. This is big snow. Well, thanks for watching Truckee Dog TV. We're going to continue trying to get through the snow. Roo, you got to lead us. Let's go, guys. Come on.